Good morning students. In previous video lecture, we have discussed about debate writing. In first lecture, we have discussed about debate writing, introduction of the debates and many more relevant things. In the next video lecture, we have discussed about in the one form of the debate writing. It means either on, in the favor of. We have also discussed about the starting of the debate and the completion of the debate when we write in favor of the title. In this class, in this video lecture, we will discuss about in against of the title. In which way that we can start, and in that way we will complete the title. Let's see. For example, you are Deepak Deepika student of SURAJ School Mahendragarh. You have been asked to write a debate on the topic internet is good means for study. This is the title of the debate writing. Words you can write either or. Write either. It means in favor of or against. Maybe other title for your debate writing, for example, should women join defense services? This title may be for your debate writing. There may be any other title in the exams. In other title that mobile phones are good assets or device. Maybe any topic in the outline of the debate, in the verbal input. Students, we have discussed in the previous lectures that what is the definition and the criteria of the debate writing. We have also discussed about the grammatical accuracy and the words as well as ideas of the debates. We have also discussed in the previous lecture about the motion that according to the title, that you also share your views in favor of that. Maybe if you have this title for you, that you only discuss about the title in the same rhythm that the title is being written. In the for today class, in a today class, we will discuss against the motion. That you just speak against the title. You give your views against the title. How you can start debate in the form of against the motion. First, we will write the title of the debate that you have been given in the verbal input. For example, mobile phones are the best assets या device in any way. There will be title, maybe this title, maybe any other title that we have discussed in favor of these titles. On today we will discuss in against. First, you also give the title of your debate. After that, you write against the motion. Against the motion. There also the space of a line after the title, then again line, and you will start your content. In first, there are some particular sentences that we have to write in the beginning. For example, respected chairman या honorable chairman, members of jury, and my opponents. Good morning to all. Good morning to all. Dear students, the first line, the first sentence also can be written in the different way. That you also can write honorable chairman, honorable principal, members of jury, and my opponents, as well as you also can write dear students. Good morning to all. Today the name of the students also given in Deepak, Deepika. You also write Deepak. I Deepak. Student of. In other way, you also can write got an opportunity. Got an opportunity to speak against the topic, against the motion on mobile phones are the best assets या devices. This is the beginning of the debate in against of. These lines also can be written in the different way. That you also can write I Deepak. After that, have to get an opportunity to speak against the motion in the different way. The different particular sentences that you also can write here. After that, this is the beginning, this is the first lines of this debate. After then, you also can write about the content of the debate. You also just express in the next lines. You just start as my mates describe about, as my opponents describe about the all the advantage of this of the mobile phones, but I am not totally agreed with this fact. I also describe some disadvantage of the mobile phones. Mobile phones are has become a part of the human life, but we never neglect a number of disadvantages for the humanity. They are also the cause of the health hazards and many more things. You just disadvantage in this debate because you are going to speak in against of. You never describe all the advantage. You can consider some of advantage, but you also logically describe. You also express all the points that are not in favor of. You totally describe the disadvantage of this particular asset. You also give all your ideas against of the title. In this way that you can deliberate any debate in the against of. In the last, at last you can write thanks for your cooperation and your patience. Dear students, you will conclude a debate in 150 to 200 words. Thanks and have a nice day.